Are you looking for the best quiet mechanical keyboards reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best quiet mechanical keyboards reviews on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RK Royal Kluge RK61 Keyboard. RK Royal Kluge's RK61 is designed for efficiency and quietness, ideal for streamlining work and play areas. The keyboard's 60% layout reduces desk space usage but does not compromise on the tactile responsiveness sought by gamers and typists. Featuring hot-swappable red switches, the RK61 ensures quiet and smooth keystrokes, which are essential for both extended gaming bouts and productive office hours. The RK61 redefines typing convenience with its advanced RGB lighting system, which includes 18 customizable RGB modes and 8 monochrome settings, perfect for matching any mood or setting. This keyboard's design is optimized for both visual appeal and low-light functionality. Its portability is enhanced by a detachable USB-C cable, making it easy to carry and set up in new spaces. Additionally, the ergonomically designed stair-up keycaps offer prolonged comfort, preventing typing fatigue during intensive tasks. With its compact build and ergonomic design, the RK61 remains highly favored by those who prioritize quietness and comfort. Its red switches generally operate silently, although they can emit a metallic sound during intense typing. Such issues are commonly fixed by adding internal enhancements like damping foam, significantly enhancing the keyboard's feel. Overall, the RK61 offers a range of features that make it a vital tool for both gamers and professionals. Number 2. Redon K556 RGB Wired Mechanical Keyboard. Redon's K556 is designed for both gamers and office professionals, featuring a frame constructed from durable aluminum alloy to withstand intense use. The keyboard's brown switches offer tactile feedback without the noise, making it ideal for environments where quiet is valued but responsiveness is essential. With its robust build and adaptable features, this keyboard meets the varied demands of gaming marathons and daily productivity tasks alike. From its sturdy design to its customizable lighting presets, this keyboard blends functionality with style. Direct access to 20 backlighting modes and further personalization through the Redon software allows users to adapt their lighting to any scenario, be it work or play. The keyboard's design also incorporates noise-reducing foams, making it a top choice for those in need of a quieter typing experience. With its support for full N-key rollover, the Redon K556 ensures every key press is accurately registered, whether you're typing at speed or deep in a gaming session. The keyboard's comprehensive software support also enhances its versatility, allowing users to set macros and customize key bindings for a tailored experience. However, some users may find the RGB brightness slightly inconsistent, which could detract from its otherwise stellar performance. Number 3. Mage G Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Mage G offers a sleek, 60% mechanical keyboard that combines portability and silence, perfect for gamers and typists on the go. The compact layout is particularly beneficial for those with space limitations, while the red switches deliver a smooth, quieter key press compared to traditional mechanical options. This makes the keyboard a versatile choice for both work and play, especially in environments where noise levels need to be kept low. Designed for efficiency, the keyboard fits all the essential keys, including separate arrow keys and F keys, into a compact yet functional layout. The minimalist design doesn't sacrifice usability, making it ideal for users who need practicality without the bulk. Its blue LED backlighting adds a modern touch, with up to 15 backlight modes that you can easily customize. This flexibility in lighting ensures you can adjust brightness and speed for optimal visibility, no matter where you are. In addition to its sleek design, this keyboard offers full anti-ghosting across all 68 keys, making sure that every key press is captured, an essential feature for gamers and typists alike. The ergonomic design, paired with adjustable typing angles, provides a comfortable experience, reducing strain on the wrists and hands during extended use. On the downside, some users have found the LED brightness lacking and have expressed a desire for more vibrant color options, limiting its appeal for those who value aesthetic customization in their gaming setup. Number 4. Razer Black Widow TE Chroma V2 Keyboard. Razer Black Widow, designed to meet the needs of gamers who require speed and precision minus the noise. Its compact, tankless design helps free up desk space, while the detachable USB-C cable ensures easy portability, making it a top choice for gamers on the move. Equipped with Razer yellow switches, this keyboard is built for fast, quiet key presses, with a reduced actuation distance for lightning-quick responses. For those who revel in customization, this gaming tool offers seamless integration with the expansive Razer Chroma ecosystem. Sync capabilities extend to your favorite games, other Razer devices, and even Philips Hue, supporting full-spectrum color control over 16.8 million choices per key. The addition of an ergonomic magnetic wrist rest ensures prolonged gaming doesn't become a pain, cementing its place as a top pick for gamers. Offering durability and a robust design, the Razer model ensures up to 80 million clicks and is secured by a 2-year warranty. While it excels in gaming scenarios, its specialized design and lack of a numeric keypad may limit its appeal for general office use. Users should consider this when choosing a keyboard that needs to fit both gaming and standard typing tasks. Number 5. Redon K582 Mechanical Keyboard. Redon's K582 keyboard appeals to gamers looking for quiet, efficient performance. It's equipped with Redon's proprietary red switches known for their smooth and silent operation. These switches require less actuation force, making the keyboard quieter than other models, ideal for both long gaming sessions and undisturbed typing in shared spaces. Featuring a robust build quality that meets the demands of intensive gaming, this keyboard ensures every key press counts with its impressive N-key rollover. The K582 is built to withstand the rigors of heavy use, ensuring durability and reliability. Its dynamic RGB backlighting, with 18 different modes, allows users to customize their setup to match their gaming rig or mood, further enhancing the gaming experience. The backlight brightness is also adjustable, making it easy to find the perfect setting for any lighting condition. The K582 offers robust support for a multitude of operating systems, including Windows 10, Vista, and Mac OS X, serving gamers with diverse preferences. However, the keyboard's substantial size and weight could deter users who prefer their gear to be lightweight and compact. Furthermore, although its switches are designed to be quiet, they retain a mechanical feel that might not appeal to those looking for a membrane-like typing experience. Number 6. DOS Keyboard Wired Mechanical Keyboard. DOS Keyboard offers a superior typing and gaming experience with its well-crafted design and functional excellence. It is equipped with Cherry MX Brown switches that deliver a soft tactile response, perfect for those who prioritize precision and comfort. The durable anodized aluminum top panel complements the keyboard's functional benefits by adding a touch of elegance and additional durability, catering to the demands of serious typists and gamers. Advancing the series with thoughtful features, this keyboard enhances any professional environment with its USB 3.0 hub, allowing for streamlined multitasking. The tradition of user-centric design persists, demonstrated by its oversized volume knob and dedicated media controls, which simplify mid-task adjustments for uninterrupted productivity. Designed to outperform and outlast, this keyboard features laser-etched keycaps and full N-key rollover to ensure that it captures every keystroke, no matter the typing speed. Its sturdy build quality and reliable performance exceed the benchmark set by earlier models, enhancing both its functional and visual appeal. As it continues to raise the bar for mechanical keyboards, it ensures that each keystroke contributes to a superior typing experience, suitable for both gaming and professional environments. Number 7. Havit Mechanical Keyboard. The K557L from Havit is designed mechanical keyboard that balances a space-efficient 89-key layout with the full functionality expected by modern users. It includes a numpad, which is indispensable for gamers and professionals. With red mechanical switches, the keyboard ensures quick responses and tactile feedback, vital for dynamic gaming and effective work sessions. Ideal for tight workspaces, this keyboard's compact design maximizes desk area while offering the added benefit of portability. The ergonomic kickstands ensure comfortable typing positions, minimizing wrist strain during extended use. Its sturdy build withstands intense gaming or long workdays with ease, making the Havit a robust choice for any user. Despite its smaller size, the Havit delivers durability and performance that rivals traditional full-sized keyboards. It supports a broad spectrum of Windows environments, but users might find some features restricted on Mac and Chrome OS. Despite these minor constraints, it excels where needed. The vibrant PBT keycaps add a touch of style while resisting wear and tear from intense usage. Number 8. Logitech K845 Mechanical Keyboard. Logitech's K845 mechanical keyboard exemplifies functional elegance, effortlessly combining aesthetics with reliable performance. Equipped with TTC Brown switches, it delivers a balanced tactile response, making it well-suited for both gamers and professionals. Its sleek, modern design features a sturdy aluminum top and adjustable tilting angles, providing comfort and durability for long-term use across various settings. Highlighting customization as a core feature, this keyboard offers single-color backlighting with 5 distinct patterns, allowing users to personalize their typing experience while improving visibility in dimly lit environments. The full-sized layout integrates a number pad and function keys into a compact design, offering all the essential keys without taking up unnecessary desk space. This is ideal for users seeking a streamlined workspace that maintains both functionality and convenience. Designed for those who appreciate both performance and durability, Logitech's keyboard combines the satisfying feel of TTC Brown switches with the solid build of an aluminum frame. This setup offers not only comfort but also a pleasant auditory feedback that makes long typing sessions enjoyable. Whether you're gaming or typing out reports, the K845 ensures responsive performance while maintaining a minimalist, professional look, making it a standout choice for various uses. Number 9. Corsair K70 Mechanical Keyboard. Corsair's K70 mechanical keyboard is designed to excel in both aesthetics and performance. Its pre-lubricated Corsair red linear switches provide a smooth and responsive typing experience, making it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. The sound dampening layers enhance the overall experience by reducing noise, ensuring quieter and more comfortable use in any environment. With its sleek design and versatile features, the K70 sets itself apart by combining mechanical precision with a user-friendly interface. Equipped with a multifunction rotary dial and dedicated media keys, the keyboard allows for seamless volume adjustment and media control, all customizable through Corsair's ICUE software. This ensures you can make quick adjustments without breaking your workflow or interrupting gameplay. The durable aluminum top plate not only enhances longevity but also adds a modern, refined aesthetic that complements any desk setup. Customization is where the K70 truly shines, with its ICUE software allowing users to tweak the RGB lighting for each key and create personalized lighting effects or static themes. You can sync the colors with your overall gaming rig or just showcase a unique aesthetic that reflects your personality. What's even more convenient is the ability to save these settings directly onto the keyboard, so your preferences remain no matter which system you're using. For gamers who demand both precision and personalization, the K70 stands out as an excellent option. Number 10. Riso PHY Mechanical Keyboard. Riso PHY's mechanical keyboard offers balance between cost and functionality, designed for both gamers and professionals. Equipped with clicky blue switches, it delivers tactile feedback with an audible click that fans of mechanical keyboards love. Its full-size design includes a number pad for added productivity, making it suitable for gaming and office work. The ergonomic layout, with foldable rear kickstands, enhances user comfort, allowing for long hours of typing or gaming with minimal discomfort. With 9 unique RGB lighting modes, this keyboard allows users to tailor their lighting to match any ambience or preference. The customizable options enable you to add a personal touch to your workspace, bringing both style and flair to your setup. Additionally, the keyboard is built to last, featuring spill-resistant technology and hydrophobic holes that protect against accidental spills, making it perfect for users who like to stay hydrated while they work or game. Though the feature set and affordability are impressive, the Riso PHY keyboard may not be ideal for those who prefer a quieter typing experience. Its blue switches create an audible click that can be distracting in quiet settings. Additionally, while the keyboard's RGB lighting is bright and colorful, the level of customization doesn't match what more expensive keyboards offer. Nevertheless, given its combination of price and solid functionality, the Riso PHY is a good starting point for budget-conscious buyers exploring mechanical keyboards.